Good morning. Land Cruiser FJ40 nose cut. I say nose cut, see it's only just the nose part. That way you can put it on the wall or above your doorway or wherever you want to put it. But just finished making the mould. I've still got bracing to add onto it. And the bracing is like I've done on these, I'll open it out a little bit, on these Jeep full-size Jeep narrow track fenders, making moulds for. So they've got the bracing on it. That helps stiffen the mould, but also holds the flange from wanting to bend up, because with the fiberglass, if you've got a 90-degree bend, it'll want to try and pull in as it cures. I've got grinding to do, as you see, or trimming the edges where they were laid up, drill the holes for bolting the flanges on. It's a 3-piece mould. But likewise, this one's actually just a 3-piece mould. There's a flange underneath, then there's a back panel to the nose cut, and then there's this nose cut. So I've got bracing. This is just half tube that I use off of the rolls of fiberglass when they're used up. So then that'll go in through here, brace that, help hold the flange. There'll be 2 of those, one there and one there, and also another one here, and the same on the other side. So yeah, arms a bit ready to fall off from all this grinding and sanding, and with using the rollers, roll it out, wet it out, well, another order. So that's it.